Accidentally. Accidentally means doing something by mistake, without meaning to. I accidentally left my keys at home. I accidentally left my keys at home. She accidentally spilled milk on the table. She accidentally spilled milk on the table. He accidentally called his teacher Mom in class. He accidentally called his teacher Mom in class. I accidentally deleted the game from my phone. I accidentally deleted the game from my phone. She accidentally stepped on her brother's toy and broke it. She accidentally stepped on her brother's toy and broke it.